Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a sharpness level 255 sword in Minecraft using a simple command that works in version 1.2, 1.5, and above. Let's jump right in. First, launch Minecraft Java Edition and start a world. You can either create a new world with cheats enabled, or open an existing world and go to LAN, then allow cheats on. This is important, the command won't work without cheats. Once you're in-game, press the T key to open the chat bar. This is where we'll paste the command to give ourselves the custom sword. Now copy and paste this command directly into chat, then press enter. Boom! You now have a netherite sword with sharpness level 255, which can one-shot almost anything in the game, even the Ender Dragon. You can replace netherite sword with diamond sword or any other weapon if you prefer. Keep in mind, this sword is extremely overpowered. It's great for fun, testing, or creative world battles, but not usable in survival without cheats. Using this in multiplayer servers can get you banned, so only use it in single player or with permission. And that's it. Now you know how to get a level 255 sharpness sword in Minecraft 1.215 and beyond. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Minecraft command tricks, and comment below what overpowered item you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and go dominate your world.